Today, we dive into the world of simple regression, a statistical model that includes just two variables, one independent and one dependent. The aim is to explain how the dependent variable's variation is influenced by the independent one. Simple regression operates under the principle that the independent variable x can predict the probable value of the dependent variable y. This forms the core of regression analysis, which focuses on defining this relationship. Focusing on the characteristics of linear regression, imagine a scatter plot showing a nearly straight line. This line, whether sloping up or down, represents the relationship between x and y. In linear regression, the equation y equals axb, where a is the slope, is crucial. It helps predict y values, both within the range we see, interpolation, and beyond it, extrapolation, though the latter can be less reliable. Transitioning to quadratic regression, this model steps up the complexity by representing data through a parabolic curve, not just a straight line, which is especially useful for different types of datasets. Characteristically, a quadratic regression scatter plot forms a parabola that can open upward or downward. This visual helps in understanding how data points vary around a curved trend line. The equation y equals x2bxc, where a is not zero, defines quadratic regression. Here, too, we predict y values within and outside the observed range, though extrapolation remains less reliable. But what exactly is a scatter plot? It's simply a diagram where paired observations are plotted, each point representing a pair of values, one for each variable. Understanding scatter plots is essential as they visually summarize the relationship between the variables, making it easier to observe patterns directly. The types of correlation visible in these plots, whether there's a positive, negative, or no apparent correlation, provide initial insights into the nature of the relationship between variables. As we wrap up, remember that both linear and quadratic regressions are tools that help make sense of data by modeling relationships and predicting trends. Whether it's predicting sales, understanding growth patterns, or any other application, regression models offer a gateway into the world of data-driven decision-making. Keep exploring these concepts, and you'll unlock even more insights from your data.